Alright, we're down at our buddy Mike's here, and he just closed the shop up. And we're going to take a short road trip and go look at a couple of motorcycles. You know, a couple they're sitting in a field, and some other ones are inside the barn. I don't know if we're going to be able to get to see the ones inside the barn, but Daddydirtbike, yeah. Daddydirtbike, yeah, there he is over there. He wants to take a look at one of the bikes down there to restore. So
same place we got the Honda.
Yeah, right. Same place we just picked up my little Honda. So we'll go there, and I don't know if the guy's going to let us film, but we'll see what we can do for you guys. All right, let's go, buddy. All right, here we are. Daddydirtbike is interested in this. I think he can get it running because he knows these Hondas inside and out. Look at, he's going to try and kickstart. He's trying to start. Honda Matic 750. Oh, look at that. Is that the automatic transmission, Bill?
Yeah.
I never seen an engine like that.
Oh, it doesn't have kickstart backup or anything? Huh.
What they did.
You know, it doesn't look like it's been out here that long because it's not all rusted and rotted away.
It's been here a while to me.
Really? I think it was here. It is frozen.
Yeah.
It might be locked.
You would know if it rolls.
Well, you know what? He's probably locked. I hear it clicking. You hear it? Yeah, he's got the steering lock on there, buddy.
Should have brought the weed whacker.
Yeah. Here's something else here. This I think that was a Yankee. We looked at it earlier. That's Yankee's like a racing bike. But they're just out here, ready to. Yeah, that's what it says, Yankee.
That's the points on that side.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we can't even like roll it to see it. It's automatic.
Oh well. I'll get some better video of this when we weed whack it and pull it out. What do you think, buddy? You think you still want it? Can you do anything with it? He's ignoring me.
I don't. It's pretty rough.
I'm not selling it to you. You don't have to bad mouth it to me. I'm not. You're not buying it off of me. Save that for the owner.
1977.
1977, Mike says.
That's what it says.
Yeah.
1977 model.
Still a lot of good parts in there. Look at this tank. There's not a dent in that tank.
I wonder how long it's been out here.
Like I said, I wouldn't imagine more than a year or two.
So where's you said it's got a lock of some kind?
Yeah.
I feel like it's locked.
I don't think it's.
Oh, there you go. Mike is loosening it up. Sounded like because it had that clunk to it.
Just,
It's only got 10,000 miles on it. Oh well. Like I said, all right, we'll get a better look at it when he pulls it out of the weeds here.
he's got it on the side stand, I think.
All right, we dragged it out here in the open, and doesn't need a lot of work, but it looks like it's all there. The front wheel was rolling, but the back wheel was locked up. It's probably the brake holding it. I don't think the engine's holding it. Oh well. I think Daddydirtbike could fix it. He fixes these things like they're nothing. What year was it, Mike?
77.
77. Honda Matic 754. Honda Matic.
Can't say that.
There you go. All right, it's been about a week, and got our buddy Mike over there, and
Want to use that same strap?
Daddydirtbike, and gonna load his bike up here. Took him a week to decide he wanted it. So we'll turn you back on and start rolling her up. I don't think it'll got no air in the tires, but I think it'll be okay. All right, here we go, old school. Crank it up, buddy.
Armstrong.
Yep, the old Armstrong winch. Rear wheel's still locked up on this, so.
think we're okay. The strap just slid.
The guy in Glasgow wanted to put this on the GoPro. Really? That'd be a lot of fun. 78 maybe?
77.
77?
Says it right there, yeah. Oh boy. That was painless.
Gonna bring it all the way up, Bill?
Yeah. Try it this way and then probably use crash bars on this one. It's good crossing.
Here we go. We got an OSA. You know what? I might have a light here, Mike. Here we go.
Light work?
OSA.
Okay.
Look at it, a little long on that.
650.
Little.
I know. That's pretty cool. And then back here, watch your head. Watch your head, Mike. Back here we got an old Honda
E1
750, I'd say.
Yeah.
For the last 20 laps.
And then over there we got some more. Take a walk around there. Always a Barnfind.
You maintain that pace, you go finish ahead. You're a Hito Honda's raise of hell. Pick up the pace, pick up the pace.
We'll check it out when them guys get done talking.
Cam chain guys were out.
Here you go. We got two Yankees here. And you ought to see the cylinders on these things. Jesus Christ, they're huge.
Silver 500.
Man.
You can fire them as a single, like that, or you can fire them like this.
Huh.
Or you can fire them at the optimal timing, the optimal alignment of the cranks is 10 degrees.
Huh.
So you have one firing 10 degrees after the other, that's where you get the most power.
Pretty cool.
Oh, wow.
How do you change that? Can you rearrange the cranks?
The Barnfind.
Sprocket in between the two crankshafts, and you can degrade it.
Clock it.
You can
All right.
clock it because it holds the
We're not gonna buy any of these,
holds
but,
the two gears together.
I thought we'd show them to you.
Yeah, it's like a chain coupling. Yeah.
Yeah, see,
This guy used to be a racer back in the day.
because each side's got a coil.
You know, a motocross racer. So that's why he has
Motor's
these.
flat, and you cross the.
The owner was telling us everything is fiberglass. Fiberglass tank, fenders. Even this, here's a piece broken off here.
75 horsepower of a killing piece.
He tells us fiberglass here broken off.
And once Mickey
Saying this triple
figured
tree
out
is
how to
Smith &
oversteer,
Wesson.
he wasn't going fast enough.
And the frame is made from Piper.
Yeah, you went to a turn 30 mile
Piper
an hour,
aircraft
fall
frame.
down, you went to a turn at 70 mile an
Yeah, these
hour,
are real deal. These are for
you
real,
have to hang on.
real racers.
But they gold medal Czechoslovakia with two of those bikes. It was 6 day.
All right, here goes Daddy Dirtbike. He's gonna go home and work on his new project. I think he'd get it running. He's pretty good with them old Japanese bikes. That van there, boy, it's done a lot for us. Because we used that, we drove that 400 miles to go pick up my coupe, and that always rescues us. But he's thinking of getting rid of it, trashing it. It's just getting so old. All right, yeah, this wasn't much to this video, but I know you guys like our road trips, so hopefully you like it. So, all right, see you guys in the next one.